Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the DTW285Z 18-volt lithium-ion LXD brushless impact wrench by Makita. It is powered by 18-volt lithium-ion battery, which is not included in this package. You have to buy the lithium-ion battery separately. That will, if you have one of them, that will deliver 280 Nm maximum torque. The brushless motor is electronically controlled to optimize battery energy use for up to 50% longer runtime per change and eliminates carbon brush, enabling the motor to run cooler and more efficiently for longer life. 3-speed power selection switch for precise fastening control in a wide range of applications. The 3-stage LED gong indicates the battery charge level. Variable speed control by trigger for precise fastening in a wide variety of applications, and conveniently located reverse switch. Features reverse rotation ultra stop mode, stops rotation and impact in 0.2 seconds when fastener is loosened adequately to prevent nut or bolt getting lost. An extreme protection technology, that means XPT, to provide improved dust and water resistance for operation in harsh conditions. The features are electric brake, built-in LED light with independent on-off switch, pre-glow and afterglow function. Phosphorescent bumper glows in the dark. The Capacities driving shank and half square drive. Standard bolt M10 to M20. High tensile bolt M10 to M16. Maximum fastening torque is 280 Nm. The nut busting torque is 400 Nm. Lithium-ion batteries with a star marking are equipped with a protection system. The system automatically cuts off power to the tool to extend battery life. The tool will automatically stop during operation if the tool and/or the battery are placed under one of the following conditions. Overloaded. The tool is operated in a manner that causes it to draw an abnormally high current. In this situation, turn off the tool off and stop the application that caused the tool to become overloaded. Then turn the tool on to restart. If the tool does not start, the battery is overheated. In this situation, let the battery cool before turning the tool on again. Low battery voltage. The remaining battery capacity is too low and the tool will not operate. In this situation, remove and recharge the battery. That tool has a reversion switch to change the direction of rotation. Depress the reversion switch lever from the one side to the other side for counter-clockwise rotation. When the reversion switch lever is in the neutral position, the switch trigger cannot be pulled, so it is locked. So let's go. Align the hole in the side of the impact socket with a dented pin on the square drive and push the impact socket onto the square drive until it locks into place. Tap it tightly if required. To remove the impact socket, simply pull it off. That is the way to use an impact socket with O-ring and pin. There is another reason you can use it for impact socket with O-ring and pin. That is the way. Move the O-ring of the groove in the impact socket and remove the pin from the impact socket. Fit the compact socket into the square drive so that the hole in the impact socket is aligned with the hole in the square drive. Insert the pin through the hole in the impact socket and square drive. Then return the O-ring to the original position and impact socket groove to retain the pin. To remove the impact socket, follow the same backward. This is 2 ways to get the nuts on top to use your impact wrench driver. And there are more options. You can change the impact mode in 4 steps: hard, medium, soft, and reverse rotation auto-stop mode. To select a step, press the button on the bottom side of your tool, and it is the button with the hammer screw. I call it like this because it's the only button on there. For approximately 1 minute after releasing the switch trigger, the impact force can be changed. Hard, medium, and soft impact mode allows a tightening and suitable to the walk. There is a hard mode. This is maximum blows 3,500 rotations per minute. Medium is 2,600 rotations per minute. And soft is 1,800 rotations per minute. And this is the best to tighten your aluminum rims, for example. The function of reverse rotation auto-stop mode works only with pulling the trigger fully in counter-clockwise tool rotation. When the bolt or the nut gets enough loosened, the tool stops the impact and rotation for safety. Yeah, the impact force grid displayed on your panel is soft. That means 1,800 rounds per minute. Tighten when you need fine adjustment with small diameter bolt, assembling furnitures, or your align rims, your car rims, because this torque is 80 Newton meters, and this is enough for your rims. If you go to medium, that is 2,600 rounds per minute. Tighten when you need good controlled power, assembling or disassembling scaffolds or frameworks. The torque will be 175 Newton meters. And then the hard mode, 3,500 rounds per minute. Tighten when force and speed are desired, assembling steel frames. The torque in hard mode is 280 Newton meter. This is hard, really hard. I think, and I am using this powerful tool really often. Hold the power tool by insulated gripping surfaces when performing an operation where the fastener make contact hitting wiring. Wear ear protectors. Check the impact socket carefully for wear, cracks, or damage before installation. Hold the tool firmly. Keep hands away from the rotation parts. This is important. Always be sure you have a firm footing. Be sure no one is below when using the tool in the higher locations. The proper fastening torque may differ depending upon the kind or size of the bolt. Check the torque with a torque wrench after using that tool. For example, you tighten the bolts of your rims with option number 1 with 80 Newton meters, step 1, and after this you have to use the torque wrench to check and tighten the bolts in the right torque. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time again. Soon.